ever pondered the secret to a universally loved culinary delight? The mystery unravels today as we delve into the heartwarming world of a classic recipe that has been bringing joy to both children and adults for centuries: the timeless chocolate chip cookie. The magic begins with 2 sticks of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. This is the foundation of our cookie, providing a rich, decadent base. Make sure the butter is soft but not melted to get that perfect texture. To this, add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. The combination of these sugars not only sweetens our cookie but also lends it a chewy yet crisp character. Next, crack open 2 large eggs and whisk them into the mixture. Eggs act as the binder, holding all our ingredients together and also contribute to the cookie's moisture. A teaspoon of pure vanilla extract joins the party next. This humble ingredient adds a depth of flavor, making our cookie taste all the more delicious. Now, for the dry ingredients. Whisk together 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt in a separate bowl. Gradually combine this with the wet mixture. These ingredients give our cookie its structure and a slight lift. Of course, it wouldn't be a chocolate chip cookie without the star of the show, the chocolate chips. Stir in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These little morsels of happiness will melt in the oven, creating pockets of gooey chocolate in every bite. Once the dough comes together, scoop it out onto a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. And there you have it, the classic chocolate chip cookie. A recipe so simple, yet so satisfying. It starts with a buttery base, sweetened with a duo of sugars. Eggs and vanilla extract add moisture and flavor, while the dry ingredients provide structure. The piece de resistance, the chocolate chips, bring a touch of indulgence, making every bite a moment of pure bliss. For centuries, this delightful treat has been spreading joy in kitchens around the world. The beauty of this recipe lies not only in its simplicity, but also in the happiness it brings. So the next time you're in the mood for a little baking, remember this timeless recipe and fill your home with the irresistible aroma of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies.